Here is the Tenikle Pro flexible suction mount. You can use it for your phone or your tablet. I'm going to open it up. I don't have a cutter, but this will work. What's inside? Let me open it up. I'm tearing it. Okay. What we have is instruction manual, I guess. This. You need to pull this out. Get this up. There. This is what you get. So you have an option to affiliate. This works with glass, porcelain, granite, and marble, painted wood, stainless steel, smooth metal, smooth plastic, all foams. And it doesn't work with dashboards, leather, raw wood, perforated surfaces, textured surfaces, fabric, bumpy plastic, and large cameras. The inventor is Hans Does. So inside we have the Tenikle, 2 screws, the phone mount, this is the phone mount, and the 360 arm. We can put this over here or here, and anything. And we have instructions for assembly and instructions for the tips for assembly. This is where you put your phone first. Like, stretch it out. There. And if you need to put it somewhere, you have to stick it first. Whoa. Stick this one. And it's supposed to have a good suction. Let's test it on the mirror. You have to press it hard. I don't want to break this mirror. I think it has good suction. I already used it on my windshield. It's supposed to last for 12 hours and it can hold up to 42 pounds. This mirror is heavy. I think I can pick it up with this. Whoa. Yeah, I could. And Do's, you always have to secure with 2 cups. And we can't put it on with the suction on the rough surfaces or bumpy surfaces. We should always hold on to the actual mount instead of the phone. And a lot of stuff. You can suction the iPad. Try it with my iPad. I had to take out the case because this case isn't good for suction. It's kind of leathery. It should hold well on metal. And this is metal. Wow, it's nice. You should always clean the cups with your fingers. Use the natural oil, it says. And like that. I tried to put it on the pole. I think to have this device you have to be strong as well, because it's hard to put it there. And you just need to make sure it's gonna hold. This one's, there we go. Oh, if you like this product, my affiliate link is below, or you could use my code